Hi everyone, this is Sue's Journal Adventures. Do you want a quick, easy little 6x6 thing? I know we all have these 6x6 pads, and sometimes we have papers we don't really like. You can alter the look of them with inks and stamps and stenciling and stuff. This one's just pink, which I probably won't use, but for the purpose of this demonstration it doesn't really matter. So simple. If you're a beginner and you want a quick, easy little thing to put in your journal that's a bit interactive, here you go. So fold it in half, get your corners together. This paper don't look perfectly straight to me. Anyway, get your corners together. I'm trying to get my corners together, but that doesn't match up with that one. That's weird. Anyway, just fold it in half. Okay. Then you want to fold it in half. It's not right, this one, is it? Look, that's not my folding, that is the paper. I'm blaming the paper anyway. Fold it in half again. Okay, so you now have 4 folds. Okay, this bit you want to fold with your peak to the top. Is that right? Yeah. So I'm going to fold this bit in to the middle line. Okay. So it's basically fold it in half again, fold that bit in half again. That's it. That is as simple as it gets. This bit, well, if you open it up, these 4 you can just glue. You could have them if you wanted as very thin pockets, just put a tiny bit of glue down the middle and you could have tall skinny pockets, but this one, by the time you've got glue on there, it is going to be really skinny. So I just come along and glue them together. Oh no, that looks awful, but don't worry about it. I'm going to put a little notch here. Okay, I would normally ink it all, but because this is pink, I'm not going to use it anyway. So you've glued these 2 together. Okay, this one is open. So you just need a little bit of glue, whoopsie, down that edge. If we can get the glue to come out today, it's not playing. Glue that edge down. Okay. Put pin in glue. If you can get pin in glue. Right, so then that folds back like that. Okie dokie. Simple, innit? So then on here, typically I don't have anything around this, might. So you can put a pocket here. You can put a pocket here and have something in that way. You could put 2 little staggered pockets if you wish. So you add a pocket to the front and you've got a pocket there. Okay. Then you open this and you can put writing space on there. You could maybe have a thin little pocket there and just put some stamps in it or something. And then this bit here would be glued down to your page. Okay. So it opens like that. This I put writing space on. I cut my writing space into 2 rectangles because then you don't have to deal with the sometimes funny creasing in the middle. So I just cut, well, actually, there you go. I would put a piece like that on there. Oh my days, that's perfect. That's perfect, and there's 2 of them. Well, they're in, but will be in a minute. There you go. So that could be my writing space. Then you don't get the bulking up in the middle as you sometimes get. And that's it. Simple. The decoration is up to you. I said 5 minutes. We're on 4 minutes and 46 seconds. So that's it. So you can open it that way to write on. Maybe have a pocket or just write in space. that's glued down, that's writing space, and then you can have pocket and some more pockets or whatever on the front. Very simple idea. Would you like to see it in my journal? Here's one I made earlier. But yeah, you can bang these out in what, less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes, get them all inked, stick pockets on, and then just wait until you're actually making a journal and decorate them however, because you might have a journal that's got these colours and you might want to put a pocket down there with a notch, or you might want one over there, or you might want to put some lace on the front and a pocket on top of the lace, who knows. But if you mass make these, you've got things ready for a journal when you need it. There's another one over here that I started, but yeah, what did I do? I did it wrong, folded it wrong. So there's another one, just pull out. Easy to make, easy peasy. So you can see it in action in this journal here. Now what you could do, what I meant to mention, bring me back my prototype. So when this is on your page, you'll notice it does this, and you might not like that. When your book's closed, it's going to hold it down anyway. I mean, mine's pretty flat now, but what you could do is put a little movable closure at that side. Okay, so on your page, I know, Charlie, I don't quite know what you want. You could put a little moving closure. I like the little it looks like a little tab thing, and you around at the end, and you have an eyelet, not an eyelet, a brad in it, so you can just move it out of the way. Now if you put a closure at this side, this happens. So you think, oh my goodness. So to make it look really pretty on your page, you could have a closure there and a closure there, and it's the super interactive because you've got to move that, and you've got to move that to open it, and then you also open it like that. I haven't put closures on mine in my journal because of where it is. I don't really have space for closures, but that is what you can do. Put a closure at either side, and it's just something cute and, you know, a bit different, a bit interactive. So in my journal, here it is, and you can see it's flat, it is laying just a little bit up, but I realized that if I put a closure there, it comes up at this side, and I really, on this piece of paper, I haven't got room to put closures, and it's fine, because once your journal's made, you know, and your other signatures in there, it's going to be heavy on it anyway, it'll just flatten down. So here's mine with its little pocket, and the pocket up there with the tag in it that I made. That's just some vellum that I stenciled on. So get that back in, hopefully, because things never go in when you're on camera. There we go. And then it obviously opens that way, and I've got some writing space. I could have put some more writing space there, or a little pocket with a long, maybe a cigarette card or something. Oh, it's a little bit wide. Something in there, or just leave it, whatever. And then at the other side, I've got my writing space on there. So it's just a little interactive element where you can have some pockets, and it's cute, and you can decorate it however you wish. So that was a very quick video, wasn't it? I'm not going to waffle and talk lots because that's all I'm showing you, but I'm going to try and do several small videos today, get a few videos so I can just put them out, small ones, hopefully, just little quick projects even like that. So I'll see you again soon, because this is just a shorty. Bye for now.